handling to 100 houses today and assume that all 100 houses will be having one EV, then that transformer has to handle 300 houses. Suddenly each house is becoming 3 houses. So what is the solution? You change the infrastructure, which is practically not possible. The country will be bankrupt next day. विटामिन एम कहाँ से आएगा? ओके, विटामिन एम ही बनेगा नहीं. There is no allopathy manufacturing hub. Then how do you get a vitamin? So what is the solution? Can we do something with the existing infrastructure? The answer is again yes. Again using vitamin. So you incentivize the customer such that the ideal EV which are not in operation, can they release their charging for 5 minutes? If the answer is yes, I will stop them for a while and I will pass it to somebody else. And how do you do that? When you go to an aggregator philosophy. Just like in a distribution of potato support, you assume. How do you get? Farmer is there. The farmer gives to a gaddi or maybe a mandi sort of thing. From that it goes to a dealer. Distributor. Distributor will give to dealer. Then it will go to somebody else. Like that the network exists. So, same philosophy is coming, and Sir was there in the Smart Grid Consortium project, and a very interesting philosophy of DSO has been formed, distributed distribution system operator. So this aggregator concept will come, and it has already been practiced in Western countries. Suppose IIT Bhubaneswar. There will be one aggregator who will know all the ABCD of EV which are there inside the IIT Bhubaneswar. And the transformer of IIT Bhubaneswar, if it gets heated up, immediately a command will come from the distribution company that can you reduce, if you reduce, the trial of Bhubaneswar will be reduced by, means the price will be reduced by 50%. Now, that reduction of 50% will be passed to the customer, and some money will be there kept as a distributor, that means the aggregator. And I am happy. Anyway, I am sitting in the office, so if my charging time goes from 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes, it is okay for me. But a person who is going to hospital, for him it may not be possible. So some of the customer will accept and some of the customer will reject. Now the question comes, can the aggregator know beforehand who will accept and who will not accept? Can the aggregator do from the pattern of charging a customer is doing some prediction, some analysis? The answer is yes. And AI will play a very vital role in that. So AI assistive aggregator will come. And that AI assistive aggregator, and what type of AI you are going to use, whether it will be a LLM model, SLM model, or recursive neural network. Sir is absolutely expert in that what type of thing will come will be decided based on the market need. Once we do that, then this is called as infrastructure deferment. I have deferred the infrastructure for certain time. I have to ultimately make it. But if you ask me, give 10,000 rupees today, Probably I say I don't have 10,000 rupees. I have to be happy with 100 rupees. But if you ask me, give me 100 rupees for 1 year, each day I will give you 100 rupees. Because I have the capability of 100 rupees. But I do not have the capability of 10,000 rupees in the single year. So therefore, if I can defer the infrastructure, then it is always a welcoming state for any country. Gradually it will be built up. The growth will come, but if I make the growth rate to be infinite, then it is not achievable, it is not practical. Now once you do that, now can I integrate the RE into it? That means the renewable energy. If you see the philosophically, in the normal grid perspective, when we go for the generation, we talk about megawatt scale. Even Samantraya was telling, today grid capacity is 450 gigawatt. So we always say in terms of that. The question comes, why do you say that? For example, I will ask, what is the distance of Delhi from Bhubaneswar? What will be your answer? Roughly? 1800. हाँ, अरे एक नंबर बताओ.
1800 kilometers.
1400 kilometers. Okay, very good. What is the distance or the length of this room? Approximately? मीटर, फिर कुछ भी बोलो ना.
400.
15? Very good, 15 meter. Okay. What is the width of your chair?
30 centimeters.
1/2 feet. Very good. I asked 3 questions, and all belongs to the variable length. You gave me one in the unit kilometer, one in the unit meter or feet, another you gave me in feet or inch. You could have told what is the distance of Delhi, 114002506 feet. You could have told, but you did not. You told what? In kilometer. Similarly, if I ask what is the wattage of this fan, what will be your answer?
65 watt.
65 watt. Very good. That light,
9 watt.
maybe 10 watt. What is the power of something like a pacemaker? Milliwatt or maybe microwatt. Power of grid, gigawatt. So unit varies. Though everything puts into the power definition, but I take this different unit so that my brain can visualize what is it, and that's why I am putting these units. And society to society, this unit varies also.